Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could.
I need you back. Only, all dolly. I need you back. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and give me pain, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home tonight. All night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack.
so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit I'm rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their brown mix black loose wave 5x5 closure C-part glueless wig with bangs. Yes, girl, with bang, not the bang.
Not the banging, the banging. Oh, 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 oh.
The bang. Okay, no, let me stop. All right, so it says the length is 22 inches. The color is brown mixed black. It's 100% human hair from one donor. Top Swiss lace, 180% density, and it is a standard medium cap size, which is 22.5 inches, and it is a 5x5 lace closure. So those are all the details and specs on this wig. As far as the texture, it says it's a loose wave. I didn't even know that, but it's giving loose wave. I kind of feel like it's gonna feel more like a body wave after I wash it. I did not bleach the knots prior to applying this wig because I decided to use adhesive, and I wanted to still make it as beginner friendly as possible. Now, I honestly do feel like you can rock this wig without any adhesive. I used a spray, which isn't a big deal. I didn't use any glue, but because it's supposed to be a completely glueless wig, and when they say glueless, I always think like no adhesive, even though it is glueless. I'm wearing it glueless, but because I didn't, I was like, well, you know what, let me not bleach the knots because I still want it to be very beginner friendly. So I didn't bleach the knots of this unit. I didn't tweeze this unit whatsoever. I didn't do anything. What you guys are seeing, I didn't even layer it. What you guys are seeing is how she woke up. The only thing I did to this wig was curl it. After I kind of like brushed it out, I wanted the bangs to be a little curlier, and that is just a personal choice. Y'all, this hair is getting on my nerves. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Got it. All right, so yeah, I just curled the bangs, but that is purely like a personal choice because I had kind of brushed them out and I want them to kind of be, you know, fluffy. I like the fluffy look, but it just depends on you and the look that you're going for. As far as shedding and tangling, I didn't receive any of the things straight out of the package. It's not to say, oh girl, won't do any other things, just that straight out of the packaging, I received none of the things. Is this wig big head friendly? In my opinion, yes. It does have that adjustable strap, so I do feel like that, not adjustable strap, that elastic band that you can adjust. I feel like because of that, you can wear this unit across the board, but I do feel like it is medium to big head friendly. But once again, I do feel like you can wear it if you have a smaller head, but honey, do whatever you want to do with that because I have an average cap size, okay? So I can only speak for the head that's on my shoulders. This is purely speculation. And that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in the pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Oh, y'all, honestly, I couldn't think of a con. You know, every now and then it happens. It happens. The only thing I could think of that may be a con for some people is that I know some people don't like closures. So I'm just going to throw that out as a con. But that's just because I couldn't think of nothing else, girl. Okay? I couldn't think of nothing else. All right, so for my pros, I'm going to literally list the highlight selling points that they gave me. Super transparent lace. Did they lie? Okay, more versatility. Did they lie? Like, it's a closure, but it's super versatile. Like, I did this super deep C part, but you can do a middle part, you can do a right side part, you can do half up, half down, you can do all the things with this unit. So did they lie? Glueless install. Now granted, like I said, I did use adhesive, but this wig don't necessarily need it. You can put old girl on, throw your bronzer on, and call it a day, honey. Okay, period. It's comfortable, yes. Flawless melt with scalp, yes. Yes, and protective style. So those are all the basically the pros that they gave me. This is a super natural hairline. It came pre-tweezed. You don't need baby hair. I did use baby hair, but you don't need it. You ain't gotta have baby hair unless you want it. Like, all those are the pluses with this unit, and it's comfortable, period. So those are my pros. Now girl, you know I recommend this unit. You know I would recommend this wig. You heard the pros. Let's move on. All right, y'all, so let's do this for a 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I didn't know if you guys could see where it came or not, but this is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Like, sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to You Love Me for sending me yet another bomb unit and for sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I'll see you lovebugs next time. Bye.